You have to admit that Ideogram 2.0 is pretty amazing. It's amazing at creating lots of different things, and it's amazing, in fact, it's insane at creating quote colouring pages, as you can see just here. Now, I created a whole bunch of quote colouring pages, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. 100 plus Ideogram quote colouring page prompts, and then you can do anything that you want with these prompts. Now, let's just quickly come over to here. Now, a couple of days back, I made a video just showing you all of these creations that I created. And in that video, I asked whether or not you'd want me to make these public and on my public profile, which meant you could just come through, check these out, and do whatever you want with. Well, I decided not to do that, but I have turned it into a little product, a little freebie for you as well, and this is it just here. 100 plus Ideogram quote colouring page prompts. Now, if you want to check this out, there will be a link down in the description. Now, what I'm going to do is share with you a bunch of these quote colouring pages which I created, so you can decide whether or not you want this little freebie. So this is one of them. I have probably about 30 that we're quickly going to run through, just so you can see what's now possible with Ideogram. Now, all of the quote colouring pages that you see just here, all of the prompts are in my 100 plus Ideogram quote colouring page prompts. Now, this is the first one. This is Spread Love, Not Fear. We can see really nice design, and it's absolutely flawless. Same with this. Well, in fact, all of the ones which I want to share with you and show you and share all the prompts are really great, and that's why I trained my quote colouring page prompt generator on all of these prompts. But this one's really nice. This is really great as well. This is called, or this is Saved by Grace. The two birds or doves look really good. The fonts look good. The book looks good. And this little bit of leaves or stick, stem, whatever you want to call it. Then there's Running on Faith and Caffeine. Then Radiate Positivity. This is one of my favourites. Live Life in Full Bloom. A really great colouring page just here. But as we can see, these colouring pages are just amazing with Ideogram 2.0. So this is God is My Strength. Then Find Peace Within. Really great colouring page, as we can see. You Are Your Own Light. Wonder More, Worry Less. Now, this is one of my favourites out of all of these. I really like this design, and it just looks amazing. I don't know another way to put it. I'm literally just blown away on what you can now create with Ideogram 2.0. Then there's Teachers Plant Seeds That Grow Forever. Sweat, Smile and Repeat. So this is in the fitness niche. Now, the prompts that I'm sharing have quite a few different niches within them, and I'll cover that nearer the end of the video. But Rest, Recharge, Repeat. Then No Pain, No Gain. So this is another fitness one. Progress over Perfection. Life is better in hiking boots. So this is more of a hiking quote, obviously. Breathe in peace. Exhale joy. Another really great colouring page. But as you can see, in fact, let me just say this quick. You've cat to be kitting me, right meow. Now, I absolutely love this colouring page as well. But you have to admit what you can now create in terms of colouring pages, quote colouring pages, with Ideogram 2.0 is absolutely insane. So this is Be You, Be Proud. This is in the Pride niche. Then Meowtin, Climber. Then we also have I'm Just Here for the Rebound. It's Okay to Feel Everything. Hope Blooms in the Darkest Moments. Now, this is a really, really nice design as well. Nurses Call the Shots. So this is in the nurses niche. Walk by Faith, Not by Sight. Now, out of all of those 100 plus quote colouring page prompts, this is by far my actual favourite. I just love absolutely everything about this design. Then I'm What You Need. This is in the engineering niche. Grace Over Grind. Just One More Chapter. Bookmarked and Busy. And that's all the ones which I want to share. Now, again, there's actually a lot more than this, which is in my 100 plus Ideogram quote colouring page prompts. If we scroll down, we can see what you get. You get the 100 plus prompts and one how-to video. Now this how-to video is very, very important because I show you how to take all of these different types of prompts, run them through Chat GPT, and then get an endless amount of new prompts that you can use. Now if we come down to here as well, here's some of the niches within that list, which are reading, engineering, nursing, Christian, volleyball, basketball, self-care, cats, dogs, pride, nature/adventure, self-affirmations, teacher, fitness, self-empowerment, sarcastic Christian, these turned out absolutely awesome as well, faith, motivational/inspirational, floral motivational, and bees as well. So you can see you actually get quite a lot. And again, if you want to check this out, there will be a link down in the description. These are 100% free. All you have to do is come here, put in 0, and then click on I want this, and you should be good to go. Now, I thought I'd just make this into a little freebie for everyone, because it's going to be easier than finding all of these over on Ideogram, because as I create more for my public profile, these will get pushed down further and further, and it'll just make it a little bit harder to find everything. Whereas with this little freebie, you get the Google Doc, which is just here, with the 126 quote colouring page prompts. It also has an image of what I created along with the prompt underneath, which is just going to keep this a lot more organised, because you can create a copy of this and have this in your own Google Docs. But nonetheless, I just wanted to share this little freebie with you, 100 plus Ideogram quote colouring page prompts. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.